Hey, in this short video, I will tell you about the best service from the best online fax category. I reviewed many services and my focus was on the most reliable one. I have been working with this for over 5 years. Let me tell you 3 secrets that few people know about, but which make it really the best in the best online fax category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Now let's get started.
FreedomVoice gives businesses the ability to use both virtual and cloud-based VoIP telephony services. Neither option requires the installation of any hardware, and both are easy to use. The virtual system is designed for businesses with remote employees who need a way to connect calls to their employees wherever they are, while always maintaining a professional image. The cloud-based VoIP system is available in 2 options. One designed for very small businesses and one that can be used by organizations of any size. All FreedomVoice offerings include a suite of calling, collaboration, and mobility tools. FreedomVoice is a great phone system for very small businesses because it offers both virtual services and cloud-based systems designed specifically for companies with few employees. Each of the FreedomVoice phone systems charges a monthly fee. Prices, however, vary. The FreedomVoice Cloud Number virtual service has 3 pricing plans. The start plan is $9.95 per month and includes 400 minutes. The Edge plan is $19.95 per month and includes 1,200 minutes. Extra minutes for both plans cost 3.9 cents each. The most expensive option is the Max plan. This is $29.95 per month and offers unlimited minutes. Cloud Phone, designed specifically for businesses with 4 or fewer employees, costs $29.95 per user per month. This plan includes unlimited calls, access to almost all system features, and a basic Polycom phone. Users can rent upgraded phones for $5 per phone per month. The only additional costs are for call recording, voicemail transcription services, and the ability to professionally record automatic greetings. Prices for the Cloud PBX phone system, which companies of all sizes can use, are determined by the local reseller. The FreedomVoice representative we spoke with said that the Cloud PBX system is usually a few dollars cheaper per user per month. There are no contracts with FreedomVoice. You pay monthly and can cancel at any time. The company also offers a 30-day free trial. Regardless of the system you choose, all FreedomVoice features are easy to use. Cloud Number is a virtual service that works as an extensive call forwarding system that routes calls made by the main business line to the phone of each employee's choice, such as a cell phone or a home phone. This option gives very small businesses a professional phone system without requiring them to buy office phones for each employee. Because this system uses no hardware, it can be up and running in just a few minutes. Once you sign up for the service and select a local or toll-free number, the service is up and running and ready to use. You can select a new number, or your company can transfer the phone number you already use. One of the first steps in setting up the system is to record a greeting for the auto attendant. The auto attendant is what answers every call to the system. Customers and clients then indicate the person they are trying to contact, and the call is immediately transferred to an employee. Employees can configure their settings so that the system tries to contact them on more than one phone. They can decide whether they want the system to call their phones sequentially or at the same time. The system offers unlimited line capacity, so callers never hear a busy signal, even if several people call your company at the same time. Among the features Cloud Number users have access to are automatic assistance, after-hours greetings, intelligent number routing, call forwarding, simultaneous calling, call queuing, customizable hold music, call screening, whispering, call recording, voicemail, voicemail and fax, email, voicemail transcription, online fax, call blocking, company directory, call groups, call search, and call rotation. FreedomVoice's Cloud Phone and Cloud PBX are cloud-based phone solutions. All the system needs is a high-speed broadband internet connection and IP phones. The phones come pre-configured and ready to connect. Once the phones are activated, you can make and receive calls right away. Cloud Phone is specifically designed to support businesses with up to 4 employees. Companies with more than 4 users are recommended to consider FreedomVoice's Cloud PBX system. It offers the same features, but is sold through authorized resellers. These resellers evaluate each company's network to make sure the system works properly and will give you customized pricing. FreedomVoice Cloud Phone systems have a 99.99% uptime. FreedomVoice uses 5 redundant data centers to keep systems up and running at such high speeds. With this setup, if a data center fails or needs maintenance, all information stored in it can be instantly moved to another location to ensure uninterrupted service. In addition to all the features available in Cloud Number, Cloud Phone and Cloud PBX users have access to call hold, park extract call, 3-way conferencing call, direct incoming number, do not disturb mode, message waiting for indicator, and soft phone. The FreedomVoice mobile app is available for iOS and Android services. With it, employees can make and receive calls from their business lines, manage voicemail and faxes, make 3-way calls, and use one-touch dialing to call contacts. FreedomVoice's biggest drawback is that it doesn't allow online conferencing or video conferencing. If you need these collaboration tools, you should consider another business phone solution. Another potential drawback is that businesses interested in a Cloud PBX system have to work with one of FreedomVoice's reseller partners. The services and prices you get will depend on the specific reseller you work with. FreedomVoice's customer support team is available by phone or email from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. There is also a 24-hour emergency support.